Good morning. Today's screencast is going to deal with how to successfully navigate your summer school e-learning course. My name is Mr. Gabriel, and welcome to Careers in Civics Summer School 2018 e-learning edition. By now, you should be able to log into the e-learning program platform, where this is the landing page. You should have a list of courses. Now, the one you'll be concerned with is the CarCivs with my name on it. Next thing I want you to do is scroll down and check to see if your access to Google Apps is activated. If you can access your Gmail, your Google Drive from here, your accounts are linked, and this will come in handy later on in the course. So from here, I want you to select my course to enter our summer school class. And I'm going to call your attention to a couple key components that will help you successfully complete the course by July 30th. First thing I want to show you is this announcements page. I often post announcements to either encourage you to keep up the good work, to remind you of things, etc. So be sure to check this every morning. Announcements page will be filled up, going up and down just like a social media feed. The next thing I want you to pay attention to is the updates section. The update section will tell you if you have an unread email, some unread feedback after an assignment was submitted and I marked it, or some discussion posts that you need to read and then respond to as part of the course. Next, we have the calendar, which outlines due dates and what is due. This will help you stay organized. Now, as you'll see in the post coming up, I have a document for you that outlines all the due dates for all of the assignments for the course. So there should be no reason why people fall behind or become lost with what is due. So again, upcoming events, list the date and what is due. Finally, you have your navigation bar. Now the ones that you're going to be concerned with are content. So when you click on content, it'll take you to a list of all of the topics of study. So we are going to do careers first until July 16th, and then we will switch gears to civics on Monday, July 16th. Now, notice that there are some check marks here. This is a bit deceiving. This does not mean that we are completed anything. So please do not think that because there's a check mark, you are done any work. However, I have created some checklists for you, and the way you access the checklist is you simply click on assignments and you press checklist. Now as you go through the course and navigate the assignments and complete the assignments, you can go to these checklists and determine what you should have completed by the designated date. So notice here that Unit 1 information is all listed here. When you are done the Unit 1 requirements, you then click the checkbox and you press Save. This will tell you that you've completed all of the work and will be a good tool to keep you organized and on pace to successfully complete the course. So again, we're going to go to Assignments, Checklist, and all of the checklists appear from Units 1 to 4. So please check those out as you are completing the work. You can check it out first and determine what you need to finish before the end of the course, and that way you're not wasting time on things that may not be required for handing in. The next thing I want to call your attention to are the assignment drop boxes. Assignment drop boxes is where you hand in your assignments. It outlines nicely the due date. Okay, and then when I give feedback, it tells you what you received. Okay, and then the feedback can be accessed here as to what you need to work on for future assignments or a breakdown of the rubric. The next thing I want to call your attention to is the Discussions tab. The Discussions tab is where you are going to participate in online discussions similar to in-class discussions, but with your peers through the online platform. Now, as you know, as I've listed in the course information, The breakdown of the course is 70% work, 25% ISU, which leaves 5% for the discussion post. You'll be marked on the discussion post and it will count for 5% of your mark. So please be sure to stay on task with the discussions. It is an online class and we want to encourage online learning through virtual discussion forums. So please stay on task with that. And as you can see, under the discussion forums, you have due dates that are going to guide you as to when you should be posting. The last thing I want to show you is the resources. Under the Frequently Asked Questions tab, you will see a list of questions to help you with various things such as how do I submit an assignment? How do I post to a discussion? And it should help you because I walk you through it step by step. I really hope that you enjoy the course and to remember the key functions of the course that I pointed out in this video. At any time, you can email me through your My Tools to Go account, not a personal account, to my work account, which is Paul Gabriel at mytoolstogo.ca. Make sure that you follow the email etiquette that is going to be listed in the first announcement, where you have a subject heading and then ask direct questions in the subject of the email, in the body of the email, rather. I hope this helps you become familiar with the online learning environment. And again, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me anytime from your My Tools to Go account. Have a great start to the class. Now go do some work.